So I chopped the pear tree down and burned it just for spite. Then with a single cartridge I shot that blasted partridge. My true love, true love, true love, true, my true love gave to me. The second day after Christmas, I pulled on the old rubber gloves and very gently wrung the necks of both the turtle doves. My true love, true love, true love, true, my true love gave to me. The third day after Christmas, my mother got the cock-a-roo. I had to use the 3 French hens to make some chicken soup. The 4 hummingbirds were a big mistake, for their language was obscene. The 5 gold rings were completely fake, and they turned my fingers green. The 6 lane geese wouldn't lay. I gave the whole darn gaggle to the ASPCA. On the 7th day, what a mess I found. All 7 of the swimming swans had drowned. My true love, true love, true love, true love gave to me. The 8th day after Christmas,